Beat up like hell. A piece of iron to hell. Damn, there are guys lying around here.
U.S. President Donald Trump held a call with Russian President Vladimir Putin and agreed that negotiations to end the war in Ukraine will start immediately. In a post on Truth Social, Trump said both agreed that we want to stop the millions of deaths taking place in the war with Russia and Ukraine. We have also agreed to have our respective teams start negotiations immediately, and we will begin by calling President Volodymyr Zelensky of Ukraine to inform him of the conversation, something which I will be doing right now. According to Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov, the two leaders spoke for 90 minutes, and Putin invited Trump to Moscow. The Russian president invited the U.S. president to visit Moscow and expressed his readiness to receive American officials in Russia in those areas of mutual interest, including, of course, the topic of the Ukrainian settlement, Peskov said. Putin and Trump also agreed to continue personal contacts, including arranging a face-to-face meeting. Earlier, Moscow ruled out any discussion of exchanging territories in potential negotiations with Ukraine. The statement followed Zelensky's remarks in an interview with The Guardian, where he suggested Ukraine could cede the territory it controls in Russia's Kursk Oblast in exchange for Russian-occupied territories of Ukraine. This is impossible. Russia has never discussed and will never discuss the topic of exchanging its territory, Peskov responded. The U.S. has presented Ukraine with a draft agreement on critical minerals, handed over by the Treasury Secretary. After a meeting with U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, President Volodymyr Zelensky said that the Ukrainian side would make a decision when it reviews the document. For my part, I will do everything to ensure that our team of government officials works over the next 2 days so that we have the opportunity to formalize the agreement in Munich, the president said.
This is the first minister from President Trump's team, and we are very grateful for this first visit, and we begin to work more closely with President Trump's team. We thank you. Productive, constructive conversation. We talked about useful minerals. I know that our team was provided with the first draft of this relevant document from the United States of America about the partnership between our countries. We are signing this document and we'll do everything so that our teams can really agree quickly and sign it. And we really want this because the United States of America are our main partners, our strategic partners. We will do everything to accomplish this before or at the English conference because we don't want to waste time. That's exactly what I said, Mr. Secretary, that I will do everything on my part to ensure that our team of officials works in the next 2 days. And we have the opportunity to formalize some relevant agreements already in Munich.
And while we are waiting for peace, let's see the battlefields. They are pulling out the casualties. Look, they're walking. The place is covered in destruction. A Russian soldier shows the aftermath of a failed assault. Numerous casualties and the road littered with destroyed equipment.
Beat up like hell. A piece of iron to hell. Damn, there are guys lying around here. It's a disaster. What, you want to collect a little house? No way. Look. Yeah, I know, bro. It's a disaster. Bags for the dead. They're pulling out the dead. The guys are dragging them out. There they go. It's a mess. Everything's scattered. Yeah, they're carrying out the guys. This is messed up. Holy shit. The van is almost new. Look, does anyone need it? The axle, damn. Brand new rear, look. With springs and everything new, damn it. It was a mess. Oh, that's it. Tanks, Yankees, damn it. Turrets, damn it. Blasted him to hell. Metalac tipped on it. inside to rest.
A Russian soldier filmed his own Bukhanka vehicle, which was just hit by a Ukrainian FPV.
In short, I was driving from here to Svekhnovka and saw there, and then damn, this. Fuck, behind me. Fuck, something was flying, managed to stop. The wheels are also burning, everything is burning, damn. On the contrary, just did everything, damn. The car is in a blanket, damn. Completely, fuck, everything is burning, damn it. Damn, 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 damn. The tire burst, basically. I saw it there, saw it over there. And the guys behind me who were driving also stopped, basically. They did. And I damn saw him. Turned around right away. Started speeding up. Saw him following me. And stopped immediately. But it was already too late. And we ran over there, basically.
Russian propagandist Mardan openly admits that Russians will receive no pensions. The number of children per woman is falling year after year, and it's falling very badly, somewhere around 4% a year, somewhere around 9% a year. And it's a disaster. The obvious Russian solution for such a disaster, to launch a war against another country that would kill even more people.
Every person who is 20 years old, 30 years old, 40 years old, and even 50 should generally assume the very simple fact that they will not have any pension, or it will be so meager that yes, that very terrible question, how pensioners will survive, will be the #1 question they wake up with. To understand the future, you don't need to listen to more than, don't listen to anyone. Don't listen to journalists, officials, or anyone at all. Rely on numbers. Numbers don't lie. Find statistics on the internet that show birth rate figures. How many children are born, yeah? Per woman. All sorts of officials responsible for democracy and other nonsense rarely tell the truth. Do you know why? Because the truth is very unpleasant. It's called the total fertility rate. The number of children per woman is falling. Year by year, and it's decreasing significantly, somewhere around 4% per year, somewhere around 9% per year, and it's a catastrophe.
The UK government has allocated a new military aid package for Ukraine worth £150 million. This was announced at the beginning of a meeting of the Ukraine Defense Contact Group in Brussels by British Defense Secretary John Healey, Ukrinform reports. It is stated that the defense assistance package will include tanks, artillery systems, air-to-air missiles and other types of weapons, as well as contracts for the maintenance of previously supplied equipment of the armed forces of Ukraine. Today I have announced an additional £150 million for new firepower, tanks, artillery, air-to-air missiles, as well as new contracts to repair critical equipment in Ukraine, the Defense Secretary stated. No further details have been disclosed. The British government's website does not yet have a press release on the matter. Last month, the United Kingdom signed contracts with 2 companies to manufacture artillery barrels for Ukraine worth £61 million.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.